Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your balloon. So here you can see it. Cannot download photo. There was an error downloading this photo from your iCloud photo library. Please try again later. So how you can also fix it. So first thing, just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here Wi-Fi. If you use Wi-Fi, just open it. Just try to turn it off, wait a second and just turn on again. So after, if you use mobile data, just turn off mobile data and turn on again. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide the power off, wait a second, and just power on phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And the latest option you can try also to update your phone. So just go to the general. In the general, just open software update, and if you see here available updates, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.